They also advise you should make sure your home is equipped with a carbon monoxide detector.
Absolutely. Carbon monoxide, a colorless, odorless, very dangerous gas. In fact, it can kill you.
It can. It's found in fumes when you burn fuel in cars, stoves, fireplaces, and furnaces. Jordan Moore spent the day with firefighters to learn how you can protect your family from this deadly gas.
Well, Josh, Sarah, good evening. This is an example of a carbon monoxide alarm that you just plug into an outlet. Actually, Barry Brickey with the Kingsport Fire Department said he discovered this carbon monoxide alarm when he was checking on smoke alarms at someone's home not too long ago. Okay, but the problem with this carbon monoxide alarm, it's discolored and it's no longer working.
I went over to take it off the wall and it was actually hot to touch. And so it was not going to be in proper working order if they were to have carbon monoxide in their home. And this one was way out of date.
Something Barry Brickey says you don't want to discover in your home, especially as we get into these bitter cold winter months. Because what happens when it gets cold? Many of us turn to alternative heat sources.
Whether it's gas, a fireplace, or anything like that, you always need a carbon monoxide detector. And if you don't have one, you need to go get one today.
And a carbon monoxide detector is something you can easily find at your local hardware store, like here at Midway Lumber and Hardware, where we met owner Josh Light as he was hanging the last one they had in stock up on the shelf.
Yes, we order every week, so we'll have more in on Wednesday, especially with like the snow coming, running generators. You need to have a carbon monoxide detector.
And if you already have one, Brickey says you may want to check the date.
Well, a carbon monoxide detector has about a 7-year lifespan.
And before you install it, he says it's important to follow the instructions that come with the detector.
This will be plugged up just right along with your outlets in your home. And then the one with the carbon monoxide detector and smoke alarm combined will be up near the ceiling, 4 to 6 inches from the ceiling.
And another reminder from fire officials this evening, if you are going to warm up your car, make sure it is outside and away from open doors. Reporting live in Johnson City, Jordan Moore, News Channel 11 in your corner.